Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Education WAMH. In this video, I am going to discuss about the reducing balance method for grade 11. When a large amount of loan is borrowed from a bank, it is difficult to repay it completely with the interest at once. It is paid as monthly partial payments. If a certain good is bought with a down payment, the outstanding balance should be paid monthly. So, in this method, the interest is calculated monthly by considering the outstanding balance. As the balance that should be paid reduces, the interest also decreases. This method is called reducing balance method. If you take a loan from a bank, then you have to pay this amount back to the bank with an interest. Loan plus interest. There are two methods to calculate this interest, the long method and the short method. When you consider the long method, it is very important for you to see what actually happens when calculating reducing balance. So, first we'll perform the long method to calculate the interest. First question, a dining table worth 35,000 rupees can be purchased with a 5,000 cash down payment and the rest paid in 6 equal monthly installments. If the loan is charged as 18% annual interest on the reducing loan balance, calculate the amount of a monthly installment. This is the way to find the interest from the long method. These are the steps. Worth of the dining table is 35,000 rupees. Then the down payment is 5,000. Then the outstanding balance can be found by 35,000 minus 5,000, that is 30,000. Then number of installments is 6. Then amount due from the principal loan per month without interest can be found by 30,000 divided by 6. 6 means the number of installments, that is 5,000 rupees. Then annual interest rate is 18%. Then we can calculate the interest for the first month by 30,000 multiplied by this annual interest rate 18 over 100. Then we have to calculate it for month. So you have to divide it by 12. That is why I have multiplied this by 1 over 12. Then we get 450 rupees for the interest for the first month. Then interest for the second month can be calculated by, now the amount we have to pay is becomes 25,000 rupees as 5,000 is paid for 1 month. So 5,000 should be subtracted from the outstanding balance here. Then 25,000 rupees multiplied by 18 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 12. Then the answer is 375. That is the interest for the second month. Then interest for third month. Now the amount we have to pay becomes 20,000 rupees. 20,000 rupees multiplied by 18 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 12. Then that is 300 rupees. Then interest for fourth month can be calculated by 15,000 rupees multiplied by 18 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 12. That is 225 rupees. Then interest for fifth month can be found by 10,000. Now the amount is 10,000. 5,000 is subtracted in each month. So 10,000 multiplied by 18 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 12. Then the amount is 150 rupees. Then interest for the 6th month can be found by 5,000. Now another 5,000 is subtracted from this amount. Then the amount is 5,000. 5,000 multiplied by 18 over 100 multiplied by 1 over 12. Then 75 rupees is the interest for the 6th month. Now we can find the total interest by getting the addition of 450 rupees, then 375, 300, 225, 150 plus 75. Those are the interests for each month from the month 1, first month to the 6th month. So the total interest becomes 1575. Then total amount to be paid. We have to add this total interest to the previous loan we have taken. That means the outstanding balance. 30,000 rupees plus 1575. Then that is 31,575. Then amount of a monthly installment can be found by dividing this amount 31,575 by 6. This is the number of installments, monthly installments. So the amount of monthly installments becomes 5,262 and 50 cents. That is the final answer. Now we are going to find the interest for the same problem by using the short method. Worth of the dining table is 35,000 rupees. Then the down payment is 5,000 rupees. Then balance to be paid is 30,000 rupees. Then number of installments is 6. Then portion of the loan per month is 30,000 divided by 6. That is 5,000 rupees. Then we can find the month units by taking this equation. When the number of installments is n, number of monthly installments is n, we can find the number of month units by n over 2 times n plus 1. This is important when we are performing the short method. Then number of month units can be found by, according to this problem, the number of monthly installments is 6. So 6 over 2 multiplied by 6 plus 1. Then 3 multiplied by 7, that is 21. Number of month units is 21. Then interest paid for the month unit, paid for a month unit can be found by 5,000 multiplied by 18 over 100. That is the annual rate. So multiplied by 1 over 12 as it is for 1 month. So it becomes 75 rupees. Total interest to be paid can be found by 75 rupees multiplied by 21. That is 1575. So total amount to be paid can be found by 30,000 rupees plus this total interest. So that is 31,575. We got the same answer by using the long method. The amount of a monthly installment can be found by this 31,575 divided by 6. That is 5,262 rupees and 50 cents. Now let's discuss a question with finding the annual interest rate. Mr. Kumar has acquired a loan of 12,000 rupees which he intends to repay in 6 equal monthly installments. The amount paid in a monthly installment is 2,100. In the first part, we are asking find the amount due from the principal loan amount each month. We can find it like this. Amount due from the principal loan amount each month. The total amount to be paid is 12,000. So number of installments is 6. 12,000 should be divided by 6. That is 2,000 rupees. In second part, find the total amount paid in installments. That can be found by 2,100. That is the amount of monthly installment. That should be multiplied by the number of installments. So 2,100 multiplied by 6. The amount is 12,600 rupees. Then in third part, find the total interest he should pay. Total interest can be found by subtracting 12,000 from 12,600 rupees. That is 600 rupees. Then fourth part, what is the number of month units? That can be found by, we know the number of monthly installments, that is 6. 6 over 2 times 6 plus 1. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Fifth part, find the interest for a month unit. Interest for a month unit, 600. In the earlier question, we obtained the answer 600 for the total amount, total interest. So that should be divided by the number of month units, 21. 200 over 7. Then last part, find the annual interest rate. Annual interest rate can be found by interest for a month unit. Interest for a month unit is 200 over 7. That should be multiplied by amount from the principal loan in each month. That is 2,000. 1 over 2,000 multiplied by 100%. To convert this into a percentage, we have to multiply by 100%. But this is for 1 month. So that should be multiplied by 12. So 13.14% is the answer. Now let's solve another question. A refrigerator priced at 36,000 rupees for outright purchase can be bought by making a down payment of 6,000 rupees and paying the rest in 24 equal monthly installments of 1,500 rupees. If the interest on the loan is calculated on the reducing loan balance, find the annual interest rate. This is the way to solve this. Price of the refrigerator is 36,000 rupees. Then the down payment is 6,000 rupees. Then we can find the outstanding balance by subtracting this 6,000 from 36,000. So it is 30,000 rupees. Now we can find the portion of the loan per 1 month. 30,000 rupees divided by 24. That is 1,250 rupees. Then the total amount to be paid is 1,500 multiplied by 24. 24 is the number of installments. One installment, the amount in one installment is 1,500. So that should be multiplied by 24. That is 36,000 rupees. So how to find the total interest? The total amount to be paid is 36,000 rupees minus outstanding balance is 30,000 rupees. So total interest becomes 6,000 rupees. Then number of month units can be calculated by 24 over 2 times 24 plus 1. 12 multiplied by 21 is 300. Now interest for a month unit is 6,000 rupees, that is a total interest, divided by number of month units. 6,000 divided by 300, that is 20 rupees. So annual interest rate can be found by 20 over 1,250. That is for the portion of the loan per 1 month. Multiplied by 100%. This is for 1 month. So we have to multiply it by 12. So the annual interest rate becomes 19.2%.